Welcome to Forex Success. This is a team of expert traders who came together to provide you the best strategies to make money. Subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn on notification so you won't miss any update. Guys, you're welcome back again to Forex Success. So guys, I'm going to show you how I turned a $12 account to $150. Look guys, this is how I did it. This is the account. You can see the balance is $12, and you can see I trade crash 1,000, and it's currently on profit. You see guys, $148 profit with just a small lot size of 0.3. You can see guys, 0.3 lot size giving me 148. It's just for you to trade it well. Use the right analysis. So why did I enter this trade? Look, this is from a day trade, right? This is from the day trade, guys. It's from the day trade. So as you can see guys, this is where I entered this trade. I entered this trade at this point. Yes, I entered a buy. This is just the simple reason why I placed a buy, because this red moving average at the bottom crossed below this green line, which indicates a buy. You see guys, the moment it crossed below this green line, it means it's a buy. But I didn't just enter after it crossed. I had to wait for the red moving average to be pointing upward, indicating that it's now an uptrend. You see it's pointing upward. Guys, watch this carefully. Means it's pointing upward at this point before I entered, and guys look, it continues to go upward. So I'm going to close my trade at this point. So you see it couldn't break through this resistance. It couldn't break through this resistance. So it couldn't break through here. So whichever way, it's either I take my profit at this point or I place my stop loss at this level, stop loss at this level. See guys, so in case the market will break through, it continue, then I take my profit at this point. So guys, this is how these work. So let's try let's check out the 1 hour time frame. You see guys, you see the 1 hour time frame. Look at my trade. Look at the point I entered. You see guys, see the point I entered. 1 hour time frame also was on the same direction. You see guys, it crossed below and it was pointing upward before I entered. You see, it was a buy. It continued. So you see something here. I wasn't scared of this red moving average crossing above. As you understand, I wasn't scared of this red moving average crossing above, which normally indicates sell. It did sell, but because my 1 day time frame wasn't even close to the red moving average crossing before I entered, so I wasn't scared, because I know it's not, even if it's going to sell, it's not going to get to the point I entered. You see guys, so it still have a long way before it could touch. You see, so for this 1 hour, it did cross, but because the 1 day time frame, which is a higher time frame, is pointing that up, the lower time frame will only move haphazardly towards different direction, but at the end it has to meet up with what the higher time frame indicated, what the higher time frame is pointing. So guys, note that the lower time frame will only move up down, consolidate, but it must meet up with the higher time frame direction, the direction of the higher time frame. So guys, that's how it is. So you see, I'm still on profit. Yeah, it's increasing. My equity is increasing, guys, with $12. With $12, guys, you can see $149. So I actually kept this trade for some days now. I just analyzed it and I left it there. You see, 1 candle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 days, guys. This trade has been kept for 12 days. For 12 days, guys. So this is how we trade crash and boom. So guys, this strategy works. It works. It's just for you to practice it and you understand it well. You see it works for you. You see it start to work. Yeah, that's how it is, guys. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any update, any information I have for you on trading synthetic indices. Make sure you like this video and share it to your friends, your co-traders, so they will also learn how to trade. Yeah guys, see the 1 minute time frame, it's heavily on a buy trend. Heavily guys, heavily on a buy trend. Yeah, so even the 15-minute time frame is pointing upward, pointing a buy. You see guys, it's pointing upward, a buy. It's pointing a buy. Yeah, so guys, make sure to hit the red subscribe button and like this video, guys. Like this video and comment down below. Let us know what problem you are facing using this strategy or whatever testimony you have, guys. So that's it. You can also follow us on Instagram at Forex Success. The link is at the description. So make sure to follow us on Forex. So guys, I believe you all know the setup. It's just the average directional movement index, which you set the way I set mine. This period 50. The star is 2 pixel, 2 pixel, and 2 pixel for the DI, the positive DI and the negative DI. That is the settings. Then the levels are 0, 5, 10, 20, 35, 0, and 0. Just the way you see it on the screen now. And then the next one is the moving average. Period 10 method, simple, apply to close, and 4 pixel also. Market facilitation index tick. The volume is tick. The line width is 4 pixel, just as you see on my screen. Then you set your colors like this, guys. So the commodity China index period 4, typical price is apply to typical price. The star is 2 pixel and the levels is positive, negative 100 and positive 100. That's minus 100 and 100. So that's it, guys. You click done. So that is the settings, guys. I believe every one of us can set it. So this is how we trade and make money. So guys, don't forget to like this video and hit the red subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and make sure you turn on notifications so you'll be notified each time I post a new strategy. Thanks once again, guys, for watching.